Here we are. This is Land Cruiser Midwest and Sassy Sue, Susie-q. And we're going to show you what goes on behind the scenes in the infamous 7-minute squeal segments. So this is Wonder Chrissy. I'm going to give it to him, and he can kind of give you a little bit intro of how he sets up and what goes on behind the scenes in the 7-minute squeal. Here we go.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to the studio. And some folks that wanted to know how I put together the 7-minute squeal. It all starts with checking out the internet here and finding those weird and wacky stories for you guys so I can bring them to you. Not everything makes the cut. There's only certain stories that make the cut. So we do that, and then we read the stories and put them on some paper so I can get all my facts and figures correct when I'm doing the actual recording. So if you didn't realize, yeah, it's recorded. The 7-minute squeal is not live, it's recorded. And we basically record it, and then we download it into our video editor, and we make it nice and pretty and add a few things here and there and get out there for you guys to enjoy. So I like it. It's a fun time. I enjoy the Drop-In Master. There's a video about the Drop-In Master also on our website. Look for that because that's a big part of the 7-minute squeal. If it wasn't for the Drop-In Master, there would not be a 7-minute squeal. And let me know what you think of the sounds and the pig squeal. Some people don't like the pig squeal. Some said, oh, I don't know. So who knows? Maybe PETA's going to come after me because we got too much squeal going on, but that's okay because I am Wonder Chrissy. So I just wanted to give you an idea with the studio. We got the lighting here. We got 3 sets of lights. We got kind of like an octopus arm there. We got an LED over here, and then we have another light. So when I get some guests or when Sassy Sue decides to come in and help me out, we got some lighting on her. We got our disco ball. Oh yeah, I gotta show the disco ball. We got a disco ball, and I got 3 cameras. But only 2 of them can work at one time because of some system limitations. But so we got our brand new cameras here in the last couple of months. They're 1080p, so they're producing some good HD quality video. Got my microphone here, and also if you look over there, Sassy Sue's got her own microphone. That was just installed a couple of weeks ago, and there's a video coming out about that too. So she's ready to go, and I'm going to have her doing some voiceovers and some intros for us real soon. She's going to be putting that microphone to work. So I think I'll end the tour here. So this is our low-budget studio, and I'm getting ready to do my recording. So we'll come back once I start the recording, and you guys can watch how I do the 7-minute squeal. So I'm like a basketball player now. I'm in the locker room and I'm getting ready. Gotta jazz myself up and hype everything up so I'm ready for the squeal. Wonder Chrissy, where is my camera? It's over here. I got so many cameras, I don't know where they're all at. Hey, this is Wonder Chrissy, and time for the 7-minute squeal, and we've got a good one for you today. This is a continuation. One of these stories is a continuation of a story we just did a few days ago, and I could not believe this story. It's the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. wheel. The couple that was caught doing on the Ferris wheel, they've been arrested again. Yeah. Y'all come back now. You hear?